Hi, it's Janice Tuck here, and today I'd like to share with you a fun little engagement activity for your upper primary or elementary students, or it could even be appropriate for middle school. Now, what's an engagement activity, I hear you ask? That's just our terminology that we use for anything that engages the students at the start of a lesson. Generally, you'll have the kids come into a lesson and they'll need something just to settle them down a bit, just to get them going in the right headspace for learning. Now, this is just one simple little quiz where they have to match up a pop artist with the band that they're associated with. An activity like this one has a side benefit also of promoting some discussion to help you find out how much music the children are already aware of, and perhaps what styles of music are also popular with them already. Some of these artists and bands they probably won't have heard of before, and that's just fine. They're finding out all about the genres of music. The answers are all built right into the software, and you don't even need to know the answers yourself. So download the activity below and let me know how you get on. Of course, if you do want more, then go ahead and check out our whiteboard music lessons module called Play Up, which features loads of these types of activities. So if you're not subscribed to our weekly emails, well, make sure you do head over to funmusiccompanyresources.com, because I will make sure that you get an email each and every single week and be some of the first people to see it.